Ever wondered about the giants that shape India's corporate landscape? Ever heard of the Tata Group? This Indian multinational conglomerate has a history spanning over a century and a half, significantly influencing both the Indian and global economy. Join us as we explore the top 5 companies of the Tata Group. Starting with the first, meet Tata Consultancy Services, commonly known as TCS. Born in 1968, TCS has evolved into a global IT powerhouse, delivering innovative and high-quality solutions. With its commitment to excellence, TCS truly is a game-changer in the world of IT. Next up, we have Tata Motors, driving innovation on Indian roads. As a leading automobile manufacturer, Tata Motors has introduced a diverse range of vehicles, including passenger, commercial, and electric vehicles. Tata Motors, a name synonymous with quality and innovation in the automobile industry. Moving on, let's delve into Tata Steel, the backbone of Indian infrastructure. With a rich legacy spanning over a century, Tata Steel stands as a prominent steel producer, committed to delivering world-class quality products. Tata Steel, truly a pillar of strength in the industrial sector. Next in line is Tata Consumer Products, the taste of India. This company, formerly known as Tata Global Beverages, is a specialist in manufacturing and distributing tea, coffee, and food products. Tata Consumer Products, bringing flavors to our households. Last but not least, we have Tata Power, illuminating lives. A paramount power generation company, Tata Power plays a significant role in renewable energy projects. It's steadfast in its commitment to sustainable development, truly embodying its ethos. Tata Power, powering our homes, powering our nation. There you have it, the top 5 companies of the Tata Group. From Tata Consultancy Services' innovative IT solutions to Tata Motors' diverse vehicle offerings, Tata Steel's world-class products, Tata Consumer Products' expertise in food and beverages, and Tata Power's significant role in power generation and sustainable development. These companies, with their dedicated work and commitment, hold a significant place in India's corporate sector. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you again soon.